Hey friends, if you wish to know where the app data folder is and how you can use it, then please watch this video. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. This will open the app data folder. Actually, to open the roaming folder, you'll have to step one step behind, and then you can access every app data here. Now, you know the main thing about the app data folder, the main reason that people open it is to delete the internal folders or delete the folder entirely in case some of the application is not working. So this is what it is used for. Otherwise, I will not suggest to use this folder because it is supposed to be used through the app itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.